Hey guys, in this 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to build a full GoDaddy online store, from setup to product listings, so you can start selling online fast. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. Select Websites plus Marketing, then click Manage to open your site editor. Go to the Store section and click Add Online Store. From here, you can start adding products, upload images, set prices, descriptions, and organize them into categories. Next, set up payments like PayPal, Stripe, or credit cards under Settings, and then Payments. Don't forget to configure shipping and tax options so your orders process smoothly. Customize your store design, adjust your layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your store live. And that's it, your GoDaddy online store is ready to launch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy website guides every week.